So, so this is the second part on averages. Have a go at this question 6. Okay, so this is where you've got a list of numbers. So the mode means the one that's there most often. What's there most often? It's the 5, because it's there on 4 occasions. Work out the mean. Now the mean, that's the meanest one to work out. You've got to add all the numbers up, and that comes to 38, and then divide that by the number of numbers. And if you add up that, there are 10 numbers there, so it's 38 divided by 10, which is 3.8. Here's question 7, have a go. Now, this is much trickier. 20 students scored goals for the school hockey team last month. The table gives information about the number of goals they scored. So, what we're saying is 9 students scored 1 goal, 3 students scored 2 goals, and so on. So, bear that in mind. So, the modal number of goals scored. So, what was the most number of goals scored? Well, that's easier enough. 9 students scored 1 goal, and that's the most. So the mode number of goals scored is 1. The range, that means the biggest number of goals scored, which was 4. Take away the smallest number of goals scored, which is 1. 4 taking away 1 is 3. Now for the mean, remember for the mean we need the total number of goals scored divided by the number of matches. So goals scored, how do we do that? Well, you've got to cross multiply. 9 students scored 1 goal. So how many goals is that? That's 9 ones are 9. 3 students scored 2 goals. 3 twos are 6. 5 students scored 3 goals, and so on. So over here in purple, they're the number of goals scored. So if we add all of that up, 42 goals were scored by 20 students. So 42 divided by 20 is 2.1.